Hey guys, and I'm back with another video. So today I am going to do this hot Cheetos look. This is a look that I created while doing J. LaRue's live, and we're gonna get started with this look. As you guys already know, I kind of went in with my ColourPop pencil in the shade Banging Brunette, and I went ahead and mixed 3 concealers to kind of get this look that I'm going for with the brows. And I'm using my flat concealer brush to go ahead and carve out those brows just so I can have a snatch brow, because baby, like, I need y'all to understand that brows is life, and without good brows, it's like you might as well give up on the whole look, you know? So yeah, so that's what we're doing. Now I'm going in with my eyeshadow shades. I don't recall the name of the shades. I will put them in the description box below, but they are from the Carnival XL palette, and this Carnival XL palette is from the UK. It's from Stacey Marie on Instagram. I love her looks. You guys, let me tell you guys a fun fact. First and foremost, I love makeup artists from the UK because they always do these vibrant colors, and immediately when I thought of doing something for J. LaRue, I automatically assumed that why not do popping colors. So that's why I picked out the orange and the yellow shade from that palette. Next, I'm going to go ahead and tap in my Helen E Cosmetics eyeshadow base. I really like this base because it's very sticky and it sticks every pigment, shadow, any shimmer shadow that you kind of like want to put on the eyelid. Helen E Cosmetics is the best way to go. As you can kind of tell, I already added the shimmer shade on the opposite side of her eye, and I'm kind of going over the same process with the Helen E Cosmetics. And the pigment that I went ahead and used was Lemon Drop from J. LaRue Cosmetics. And guys, don't forget to use my discount code The.luxuryclub to get money off your purchase. I am going to blend out the edges of the Helen E Cosmetics. I know I put the Helen E Cosmetics over the shade, that's fine, because I'm gonna go ahead and bring that back in. When you add the layers, it makes the color more pigmented anyway. So I took the orange and I just patted that right back into the eyelid. So now it's gonna look super pigmented, super lit, super cute. I'm patting in that Lemon Drop from J. LaRue Cosmetics. I really like this shade. Honestly, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing it on camera, but it is very shimmery. Like it's really shimmery and it's super pigmented, and it sticks on really well. As a matter of fact, I didn't have much fallout at all actually. And I'm using like this flat eyeshadow brush. It has some thickness to it, so it picks up the pigment really, really well. And I'm patting that in, and that brush is from Amazon. If I find it, I'll send it, and I'll put it in the link below, description box below. So I went ahead and added my glitter already, by the way, you guys. I have added the 24 karat gold glitter, and this is from my Lux Volt box. This is a glitter box that I came out with. It was limited edition. I look forward to like releasing some individual glitters, since you know there are ones that people like the most, and this is one of them, which is 24 karat gold. And I added that into the inner corner, and now I am using my Wet n Wild black liner, and I'm creating a wing liner. You guys, I am holding my breath as I do this liner, okay? Because everybody knows wing liner is like the hardest thing to learn, and I'm taking my sweet time. I haven't perfected it yet, but I'm getting there, so bear with me. If you guys have any other liners that you guys like, please put them in the comment below, because I would like to know what kind of liners that you guys use and what's your favorite liner to use. I like to try different liners. Now I'm applying her lashes. These lashes are in the style Butterfly High. This is the name that was created when we did the live on Instagram. It was super cool. By the way, I'm also using my multi-purpose glue. This glue is a lash glue, glitter glue. We use it for everything, and it holds really, really well, and it dries really fast. It's just absolutely amazing. And next I'm going in with her foundation, and this shade is Tahoe from NARS. I'm blending that in with a flat stippling kind of kabuki brush. And then I went in and highlighted her under eyes, her lip, the top of her lip, her chin, and the bridge of her nose. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shades Tan Sand. And I'm going in with my Luxe blender. This is a beauty blender that is going to be released pretty soon, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. And as you guys can tell, this beauty blender is doing its job. I'm not putting too much effort, I'm not doing too much. That's why this beauty blender is so amazing. It just seamlessly blends everything in, and you can't even tell where it started and where it finished. Like, it's just like the foundation and the concealer just meshed together. Now, using a Real Techniques brush, I don't remember the name of this brush. I'll put it in the description as well. I'm using my Lancome foundation sticks to contour the bridge of her nose, and I'm using that same Tarte Shape Tape concealer to highlight the bridge of her nose as well. So I contoured with the Lancome foundation sticks, and I'm highlighting, I apologize, with the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'm using my beauty blender to kind of like clean and seamlessly blend out that contour, because we don't like harsh contours around here. I ain't trying to do nothing draggish or nothing like that, you know what I mean? Like, we need clean, soft faces, blended faces, you know what I'm saying? You understand me? You understand? Now I am utilizing the Laura Mercier translucent powder along with the J. LaRue setting powder as well. I will put the shade that I used down in the description box. Now what I did was I blended out the two. I basically used the translucent because it's like it's like on the whiter side, and it's lighter, of course. And then I kind of went in with the J. LaRue setting powder that has a yellow tone to it, so that it doesn't give me any flashback. And I use that to contour her cheeks, and I also use that to contour under her eyes a little bit too, so that it doesn't give me anything harsh, because I don't like any harsh looking contour. Like, I want it to be sharp but not too harsh, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's exactly what I did. And I used a wet sponge to blend that into her skin. Now, using tan, I believe I used dark tan from MAC, and that's the mineralized skin finish. I went ahead and I am contouring her nose, and I'm using that same face powder to contour her cheeks, and just all the contour areas that I really need. And I'm using the same powder under the eyes, using a Real Techniques brush. All the brushes that I use from that company, I will definitely put it in the description box below. I'm dusting that off with the mineralized skin finish so that I don't have any flashback or like an ashy face. Now I'm using a flat brush to apply pigment. Now, everybody knows the holy grail of pigments is from J. LaRue, which is white gold. I am using white gold on top of my 24 karat gold, and I'm kind of dragging that pigment over to the yellow. Remember, I use lemon drop under the glitter, so basically that has like a shimmer to it, but I'm adding the white gold to give it an extra pop, so that, you know, when you do your low light videos, it looks absolutely amazing and it glistens. And when you're applying JLaRue's pigments, people always ask me, how do you not get fallout? Well, as you guys can tell, I am patting super softly. Like, I always tell people, try not to lift your brush at all. Like, do slight lifting and slight patting motions so that you can get that look that you're going for, and so that it sticks, because sometimes after a long time, like, it starts to lift and you don't even see the pigment anymore. So make sure you take your time and you're patting it slowly. Now I'm going in and I'm contouring her cheeks with the mineralized skin finish, just to kind of give her like a, you know, like a bronzy contour. And I'm going in with a blush as well, and this blush is from MAC. The highlight that I used on her face is the Anastasia Amrezy. I tried looking it up this week to purchase a new one, and they're discontinued. I couldn't believe it. Like, they discontinued it. Like, oh my God. But it's okay. And I now went in with my MAC Feline black pencil, and they discontinued that as well. I couldn't believe it, because I just can't believe it. So as soon as Corona's over, sweetie, I am heading to MAC to see if they have any left over, because as y'all can tell, my pencil is practically finished and it's my favorite pencil, so I gotta go find it. It sucks when MAC discontinues products. Now I am going to trace her lip line with my lip liner. And actually, this is not a lip liner. This is a eyeliner from Wet n Wild, and it's in Sema Brown. This is my favorite liner, by the way, you guys. Well, one of my favorites. And I am lining that to give her a plump looking lip. I always overdraw her lips because I think it makes your lips look cuter, in my opinion. It looks super cute like that. Once I'm done blending that out, I went ahead and added a nude lipstick in the middle. I don't remember the nude lipstick that I use. If I do remember, I will add it in the description box. And I went ahead and added clear gloss on top of it to bring it all together. And I'm using that same disposable lip wand to blend it all out. So guys, this is the final look. I'm super happy of how this look came out. By the way, you guys, I just want to thank everyone who has also entered the challenge. You guys did an amazing job. I love the support. And don't get me wrong, the challenge is not over. You guys can still go ahead and do this bomb look and tag me and JLaRue and use the hashtag #TheLuxuryClubChallenge so that I can go ahead and see those looks, and so that I can repost them on my story, because you guys are just so amazing. Thank you so much. And guys, please do me a favor, one big favor, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Bye. I hope you guys really like this look.
it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Hey, let me see you do it. Hey, snap your fingers, 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 fingers. Hey, snap your fingers. You still, you can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Hey, let me see you do it. Hey, snap your fingers. You still, you can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Let me see you do it. Hey, snap your fingers. Man,